Hello guys, Ganesh here. So welcome back to my YouTube channel .DWG Design with Ganesh. So in this tutorial, we are going to design this 3D model in Catia software. So let me brief about this. So see here, we can design this in two steps. In the very first step, we create a profile for Revolve for using the Revolve command, and then using the multi-section solid to make this part. So let me clear about this. I'm just adding the sketches that I have drawn for this model. So see, these are sketches that we designed for the Revolve tool, and this sketch, this sketch, this sketch. See here, the three sketches that I have drawn for making this part. So this is the content that we are making in this video, and here's what we will learn from this video. So we will aware of Revolve tool, and we will get a case study where you can use the multi-section solid, and these are the minor scale, rotate, and circle pattern that you use. So without wasting time, let's start it. So let's close this one, click on no changes, and click on the part design, click on OK. Now we are in the part design workbench, and if you want the drawing of this means you have to open it. If you want the drawing of these files, so let me know in the comment section. I will upload them in the Instagram handle so that you can easily use them. So let me open the document first. Here it is. So I went into the Catia workbench again. Click on the position sketch. I'm choosing the front plane first. Click on OK. So as I told you, I'm first choosing the profile, making the profile for the wall tool. So here I'm starting from here. This is the profile. Right. So there is another more step is there. So here this one. These are not. So we are here. One more we need. One more step we need. Let's close this one. Now come to the dimensions. From here to here is given there 78. 78 divided by 2. Next thing is this one. Sorry, it is 45. It is 78 divided by 2. And then this is 76 divided by 2. And this is divided by 2. And this is divided by 2. Given the thickness also from here to here it is 5. And the overall here it is given as 158. Let's give that also. So let's undo it. This is our actual sketch. This will be the construction, and here we need a one half circle. So not a center point circle. Take this 3-point circle. Select this end point. Choose the end point clearly, which is our construction. Put the half circle like this, and here the diameter is not given here, so it is given here 72 for this one too. This one 22 divided by 2, and finally this one. So this one is 65 divided by 2. Right. Now the distances. First one is 32. So this one is 32. So from here to here, next is 80. 102 from from here to here is 102, 102, 112 from here to here, that is 128. One more dimension that we need to do, that is about this point, make it about 30. Just leave it. Use a revolve command, choose this as a revolve axis. So here, choose this, which is not correct, just add the dimension line. Now you can able to choose the line. That's it. The next step is, for this multiplication solving, what I'm doing is, select this plane, click on OK, make a profile here. So like, first take a circle, say it will be right here, see, 100, so it is 1 to 0, let's make it 100, see, and of course, it is one construction line, vertical construction line, make a distance from here to this vertical axis at 85. Now to take two arcs of radius 65, just take one arc first, we will mirror it. You see, now the dimension 65, not 5, it is 65. Right. Just select this thing, use a mirror tool, opposite side, so okay. Now click on this dimension constraint. From this point to this point, one distance is there. From this point to this point, one distance is there. This is about 40, and this is about 15. Right. Now take the line. Let's close this profile. Now we have to trim one area. This one. Now select these three entities and use the rotate option by specifying this as a center point. And you need 4 instances with respect to 360 divided by 5 instances. Click on OK. Now you don't touch anything because these are not constrained, but they are in the right position now. If you do anything, they will stop. So I'm not doing anything here. Click on exit. So one profile is okay. Talking to what, so here you can see locked with 3 sketches sizes, and there are scale mentioned here and rotation is mentioned here. That means if distance is 90, you want to put 3 sketches between this 90. One is at 0 and one is at 90, and the mid one will be 45. That is, click on the plane, create a plane at a distance of 45, and that. Click on position sketch, select the plane, click on reverse, click on OK. Now what I'm doing here, select this entire sketch, So what you can do is select this window selection that you can done, and do this extract. Right. Now window selection again. So what you have to do is select the scale option and scale it to 0.75, enter. So see, and also you need to rotate it about the same center point at degree of 15. You have to rotate. So control Z. What a mistake that I have done is, this way the entities are selected, this way center point only, and take this one, this way only 15 degrees. That's it. Now select this one, make it as a construction. Click on exit. Now create another plane from here to 90 on select. Click on the position switch, select this. That's it. Hide the things that you don't need. So I don't need this one, don't need this one, only need this sketch. Select the sketch, make an extract, and select it again. Use the scale option, specify center point, and scale up to 75. The same sketch is selected now, so you have to rotate that also. about the same center point. Make sure it is a 320 degrees rotation. That's it. So this sketch, make it to construction. So this. Now hide all planes. Hide the axis also. We have no use of this. Now unhide the parts that we hide. And this sketch also. Now use the multi-section solid here, right here, the tool. Select these 3 profiles one by one. So when you click that, there are a section point and the closing point appearing. So if you click on the preview, it will automatically generate the object that we want. But in some cases, what will happen? In my case, the closing points are in the same direction. That's why the section is obtained. For example, the closing point is not here. If it is here, what is happened? See. So in the multi-section, the closing point plays a vital role. So we need to place it the proper position. You need to place it in order to place. Click the closing point and choose the point where you want to stop. Control. Okay. Now that's it. Now one more thing is we have a teeth here. For making that teeth, choose this plane. Click on OK. Select the center point rectangle. Like this. And extract the edge that you want. I want the edge of this one. Come back to normal view again. Trim the areas that you don't need. I don't need this. I don't even need this. Now use the dimension for this. This is about 10. And this is about 5. Use it exit. And add it on a condition. So on a condition to plane and choose this plane. Click on OK. Look at the isometric view and use the rectangular pattern option. Circular pattern option. So object to be pattern will be the pad that we created recently. The pad I want, and the reference is about this. And I want it around the complete count, and I want it as 13. Okay. Click on OK. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. If you find anything helpful in this video, if you learned anything newly in this video, so please do subscribe to our channel for more content like this.